Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a transparent text in Affinity. So once you're in Affinity, if you have your design, you can easily go ahead and make a transparent text. And let me show you how. Once you're in Affinity, look to the left hand side, you'll find the artistic or the text tool. You click on that and ensure that you choose the artistic text. So here you can see that you have the frame text and you also have the artistic text. You can choose whichever, right? But I'm going to choose this artistic text. Now you click on that and just simply click. And now you want to type whatever you want. So I'm going to go ahead and type, for example, space. Right now you can't see the text, so all you have to do, guys, is really change the size of the text. As you can see, I'm making the changes to the size here, and I'm going to use this. Once you make the changes to the text, just simply go ahead and click the select tool and you can move your text wherever you want. You can also resize it by using the edges and just kind of make it whatever you want, right? So let's say this is what I want to write in. I can go ahead and I can fit it wherever I want, right? So I can go ahead and put it to the left, to the right, wherever. I'm gonna put it there. You can also go ahead and change the color of your text or the font of your text, whichever you want. So if I want to use, for example, this, I can go ahead and I can use that. Now let's go ahead and now make our text transparent and also change the color. So you want to look towards the right hand side once you select your text, and here you will have, for example, color. So you select your text, then you click on color on the right hand side, and here you can easily go ahead and change the color of your text. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose, for example, white text. So you can see right here that you have the text color. Like you can use this to change the color of your text if you want to use this option, or you can go ahead and just select, some of the colors right here. Now you can also, type in the color of your text. Now, once you select your text color, just go ahead and click on the text again, and here you'll find the opacity. Just simple drag down the opacity of the text, and this is how you make your text transparent. So as you can see right here, text is getting transparent. So you can see, you can just make it over you want. As you can see, it's getting fully transparent till it's not even visible, and then I can bring it to the right to make it all I want. So as you can see, it's now getting in more and more and more. So that's pretty much it. And it depends how you want to write it. So if I want to put it here, I can keep it, then I can bring it on my, wherever I want in the image, I can fit it in if I want to. So, and that's pretty much it, guys. So if you're looking to create transparent text, this is how you can easily do it by changing the color so that it fits within the color of your design. And of course, you change the opacity of the text. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.